Roof cleaning Wolverhampton. Does your roof look like this? Are you looking to improve the appearance and longevity of your roof? Then you need a local roof cleaner, sooner rather than later. We know that no two roofs are the same, and we take this into account every time we provide our services. Whether you have a delicate clay tile or a durable metal roof, we have the knowledge and equipment to safely and effectively clean it. We use a variety of methods to remove dirt, debris, and stains from your roof, including pressure washing, soft washing, chemical cleaning, and non-pressure cleaning. We take care to choose the right method for your specific roofing material and needs, ensuring that your roof is cleaned safely and effectively. In addition to cleaning, we also offer roof maintenance services to help prevent damage and extend the lifespan of your roof. This includes regular inspections and repairs as needed. So why wait? Contact us today and let us help you keep your roof looking its best. Call now on 07480533051.